Now let's see. This is how you upgrade a Nikon Z9 using the Snap-Bridge app. You open the Snap-Bridge and you go to your camera. For example, mine is a Z9. You'll see new firmware is available, so you click that, and then to tell you the details of the firmware 4.10 or 4.1, and next, accept and download. Oh yeah, now it's transferring from the cell phone to, okay, resume. From the cell phone to the camera. Oh, the Nikon auto shutdown. Click OK here, and then here we'll do it yes, then turn camera off. And turn camera on. Firmware version 4.10.